Hello, everybody. We came back. Hello. Yeah, I'm here a bit early today because I have to leave the stream also earlier. So I thought, why not see the early AM session in New York? Kirk, hello. Hello, son. What's happening? So I said, like, since I have to leave early, I'm gonna be here for the early AM New York session until the open, I guess. So I have to leave sometime after the open, after the 9:30 open. And I was like, what to do? You know, the only thing I have to do is I'm waiting for a phone call, but that's it. So why not be here and just stare at the charts? I was staring at the charts anyway, off stream, so I wasn't trading. So I was like, why not? Hold on, quick phone call. I think the one that I was waiting for. All right, I'm here. What's up, Greg? Hey, good to see you, Greg. So, yeah, I thought, why just stare at the charts alone when you guys are here? and that's how this happened. That's how the whole thing happened. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's having a great time. What? I have to. Oh, there you go. Alright, turning up the alerts here. Nice. Nice. Template. Save template. Call this number 3. Alright. Alright. Yeah, me too. Just chilling here. You know, I was watching the charts. I had no trades. I had nothing to do because I had a plan to go and run some errands in the city, but now I did not have anything to do. I stayed home and I was like, yeah, let's watch the price action. But this is here. I mean, I was watching specifically since the 7 a.m. Kill zone, but not much happened. But I must say that Asia high was taken out nicely, so that was awesome. And what else was here? That was nothing. And we have basically a bullish order block. So we can also just go down there to the 900s. So how many contracts are you trading Nasdaq? Well, 1 micro today. 1 micro. You know, sizing down to only 1 micro. We don't have any news, right? No news. Yeah, no news. All right. So yeah, only 1 micro. More than enough, I guess. I was looking for a trade. I was looking for a trade. Actually, to try to go for this fair value gap down there. Which is at, hold on, I'm gonna go 70, this below the 75s, I guess. Anyway, that was the plan. Open the short position on short position. I'm targeting the 75 area. Pre-New York stream. Yeah, I know, but you know the kill zone starts at 7 a.m. and I have to go earlier. So the reason I started is because I have to leave earlier. For me, it's gonna be in the afternoon. It's already in the afternoon, but I have my daily schedule is totally turned upside down, so I have to leave earlier. And so the way it goes is that I thought, why not trade a little bit of the early New York AM session, you know. No consistency, 1 day pass, yes. But the thing is, there's a sorry. What am I, stupid? Yeah, 1 day pass, yes. So you can pass today, you're gonna get the funded account tomorrow. Yeah, sorry. You blew 3 XFAs, knowledge seeker. Oh, sorry to hear that, man. Yeah, this market, you better be careful, you know. You better be careful because this market is really all over the place. Hey, Temder is here. Hello. I miss you to be in the stream. Everybody was talking about you. Like everybody, where is Hype Tender? Where is this guy? I said, I don't know. I haven't seen him. 10 days, Greg. 10 days. In Bulenox, 10-day minimum. With Apex, it's 8-day. How you doing, Hey Tender? Oh, I thought that we're gonna drop down to that gap down there, but anyway. I mean, we still could, but I guess we still could. 2 days flip, yeah. So 10 minimum trading days, and like in the master account agreement, it says you can flip 20% of your trading days. So I guess if you have the 10 minimum trading days and you have your profit target, that means you can flip 2 days. But honestly, I'm gonna tell you in a secret, and don't tell this to anyone. With Bulenox, with the 10 minimum trading days, I flipped 4 days, and they still paid me out. Don't tell anyone. So I'm not sure if that's like a stone written rule, but anyway. All right. Passed your first evaluation. Congratulations. That is great news. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Reminiscent of 2008. Wow. Yeah, that's only for streamers, you know. It's a streamer privilege. You know, for you, if you flip more than 2 days, you're definitely gonna get, you know, you're gonna get hammered. But I can't do it. I'm a streamer. I'm an affiliate as well, so I can do whatever I want. Ah. Oh man, I have to get some vitamin. I need to get some vitamin D. Anyway. Definitely, Greg. Yeah, if you do that, you're done. You're done if you do that. What else do we have here? We had a nice run up to these areas. Oh, that's a different song. Where's the 5% and 7% limit down levels on NQ? I think the 5% is around. Oh man. I have no idea. Somebody was writing it to the stream on the London session, but I think one is somewhere around 500 something, and the 7% is at 320 or 330. So down there, 320 or 330 is the 7%, but the 5%, man, I don't know. 5% is somewhere here at. Oh, I have to take this call, guys. It's important. All right, I'm here. It was the market makers. The market makers. Naomi, hello there. Oh, Naomi, thank you for helping out. Yeah, 662. Sorry, not 500. I'm sorry. Just wanted to follow up on the email. Oh yeah. Oh man. I have thought about it. I have some raw material. I'm gonna actually, because I bought microphone. I bought a new phone. I have some scripts written down because I have content ideas also for reviewing some prop firms, also about risk management, and so I have some ideas, but how to finish up with the videos, I still haven't thought about it. So I'm gonna let you know if this issue comes up, definitely. Okay, that's what I'm saying. So if I have the raw material, everything, I can just share it in a Google Drive or whatever, and you can do what you want with it. I mean, obviously, make some kind of a reasonable video, and we'll see. Why not? But I still have to record some material. We get back to that, definitely. All right. Yes, so I'm finished with the Funded Futures Network video. I'll try to be. I mean, I already did some video editing on it. It will be only an 8-minute video or 7. It's not, because fortunately they don't really have too much things to go on with, like in terms of rules. So okay, what is happening? Is this gonna go up now? Not picking up liquidity from down there. That's interesting. We don't have any news, and it's still pushing. Anyway. No news and still pushing. You passed this morning. Nice. So far, my Funded Futures Network account is, I mean, one is at 2,227, and the other one is 2,630. Getting closer to pass it, but oh wow, look at this. I think this trade is going to the dumpster. We have this push. Well, there's a 5-minute level. Unfortunately, I'm gonna get stopped out from this. We're going back to the 100 level. What can we do, right? What can we do? It was looking good. It was looking good. I was targeting that area down there. Hey, if you just passed one, that's still good. That's awesome. Nice. Okay. All right. All right. All right, Greg. As I said, I can have the raw material. I also have a basic script of what I would like to see, and you can do what you want. Yeah, no activation fee, so definitely it was a good choice to take the Funded Futures Network account when they had that promo. So yeah, South African, the CEO. Wow. I didn't know that. That's cool. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Apologize. Also, Greg, you know, what I'm doing is I'm kind of recording a vlog video series because that's also planned. So I'm going to have, when I do the vlog, obviously there's going to be more videos. So when I record like about 30 to 60-minute raw material, I might have to narrow it down to about 20 minutes or something like that, 15 to 20 minutes video for now. So if you're down to it, that's also a good thing if you're okay with vlog videos, because those might be easier because there's no special script for them. Just have to nicely put them together and that's it. Nice, nice, nice. Awesome, awesome. Awesome, Greg. Definitely. Thank you for reminding me, by the way. I am definitely behind with all this stuff. Oh, look at that. Going higher. I got taken out from the position, unfortunately. But it's just going up. Be careful, everyone. We have the new hour. What else do we have? Oh, wow. Can we go up 50 points from here? So I'm out from this position, unfortunately. Technically, when you're at the level, I mean, hold on. So the minimum payout, you know, is $1,000 with Funded Futures Network. So whenever you're eligible for a payout, you can just take it out. Yes, with an 80% profit split, obviously. Oh, definitely. Yeah. Yeah. So with the review videos, like more graphics, I guess, and with the vlogs, obviously less graphics and less stuff because there's basically almost no need for graphics with the vlog. Just need some bit of editing. All right. I wonder if we're gonna go down to. There's a low at 972.25. Hold on. Low is 972.25. Yeah, so it can go down, I guess. I guess it can. I think it swept some highs over there. Might want to go lower. Who knows? Ba-da-da-ba. Yes, yeah, exactly, disciplined trader. And Discord, yeah, that way, yeah, definitely. Yeah, send me your ID and I will do that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Oh man. What a day. What a day. I was like, is this gonna go? Or what is happening? If it would start to go down, then maybe it would be a good opportunity to scalp a little bit. Going for that 5-minute liquidity sweep. Let me see that level on the mini. The mini has it at 71.75. That's good, actually. That's good news. Is this going down or what? I wonder what it wants to do. Picking up liquidity here. Could be a good one. Technically, the 5-minute sweep already. I mean, it did sweep that level. Yeah. Anyway. Should have stayed in the position with the bigger stop or re-enter after this rejection, because look at that. Now it's going to go down to that 73, man. Oh, what should we do? Stressful, right? Yeah, that's going to be down at 72. Unfortunate. Unfortunate for me, that is. Yeah, these candles are definitely scary. And we had that rejection. The only liquidity level that we have here is that gap down there. But we're already in a gap on the 15 minutes, so I'm not sure if it wants to dive lower. But it's definitely scary. Yeah. Gotta be careful. Anyway, let's wait for it. Almost went down. Now it's going down. I think it went down. Still didn't go for it. Wow. That's interesting. I think it's 71.75 on the mini to sweep orders from that area. Yeah, it's now down there. Your hands are itching to sell. Oh, trust me. I was also pretty much like, I should jump in, but the problem is if I oversize even with just 2 minis up here, and it's gonna bounce like 50 points, I'm wiped out. So I just can't handle that. I can't. I wish I could, but I can't. I can't. That's the problem. Gold actually tanking nicely. Oh yeah, green. Trust me, I was feeling the urge right here. So I was watching this 5-minute gap, and I was like, I went down to the 1 minute, and as price was rejecting with this candle and this candle, I was like, man, it just has to push it down. Like how much was it? Like 30 points, right? 30 points. Or even if you just get 20 points, like easy 20 points, let's go down. But as soon as I would push the sell button, it would have just boom, bounced right up there 100 points. As soon as I would have jumped in. Of course, now it went down. But it's different now. And by the way, today overall, I can do a recap for you guys. So overall today, this Apex account, I requested $1,096 for payout. So it's still pending. These Apex accounts, this one is up 136. It still has a lot to go. This only up $92 today. This one is only up $80 today. These are funded accounts. This Bulenox funded account, it's a new one because I told you guys I've blown the other one. It's only up, I mean, today no trades, but $375. This other one I was scalping today for $558 in profit. Is also a new one. And I have another one here, which is brand new, no trades. The Funded Futures Network, I'm sorry, Day Traders account, this is a funded account, is up $121. When I reach $2,600 on this account, I'm gonna be requesting $2,000 if I reach there. Of course I will, of course. I don't care. I'm gonna get the $2,000 from Day Traders. I want to have it. The Funded Futures Network accounts, this is up 2,300. And this is up 2,700, so it doesn't need too much to pass. The Take Profit Trader account, these are evaluations as well. This is up 2,500, almost 26. And this is up 2,348. So overall, I'm okay with today. But I'm not sure if and I have not, the only thing I was copy trading was the Apex, 3 Apex accounts, but the other ones were traded separately. I'm not logged in, but I'm still doing a MyFundedFutures eval. Yeah, exactly, Jay. The same happens to me as well. The same happens to me as well. And every time I do that, just, you know, when I starting to go to the finish line, it just happens. I don't know. It's weird. What can we do, right? What can we do? I have a feeling, by the way, because this is a 1-minute order block, that we are going to the 900. You know, at least for a quick test to see that 900. I have a feeling about that. Maybe gold could be having a possible sell scenario here. But I don't know, because I'm super bullish on gold, by the way, but we could be seeing a continuation on the downside. Definitely rejecting on these levels, and if I look to the left, we still have some. We have an order block down there ready to be broken on the 1 hour. So I'm definitely curious about this. I might even short it on an eval. I don't know. Managed to cover all but one mini. Oh yeah, I know that feeling exactly. It's a pain in the butt. Yeah, just one spike on these conditions can definitely turn upside down everything. I'm also demo trading these indicators. I just entered a short on a demo account. On NQ. But anyway. Oh, I have to close the window. Oh, back to NQ. Sorry. A little bit cold here. The whole Europe is just freezing down. By the way, oops. I think I told you guys this is the area that I'm looking for. I like to see it go down there. Okay, that's nothing. Okay. NQ going back up there. Waiting for a move down on gold too. Going up there nicely. Okay, gold is moving down a bit. I don't know what's it doing here. It should be done with this business and just move lower. We have oh, we have the comics open. That's nice. And what do we have? Do we have some futures open? 8:30, right? Okay, I think I have a signal here. On gold. Okay. Wow, what a move. Okay. Zoltan, hello. Oh yeah, let's hope so. Good luck, good luck. Just saying that I'm going to finish early on the stream, so that's why I started earlier. Banks, hello. Hey, Banks is in the house. How's it going, man? Good to see you. What's happening? Oh wow, look at this. What a push. What a squeeze. Are we gonna finish up with the gap? We have 40 seconds until. Are we gonna have that 88-point push to the upside? Kind of curious. Feels like it wants to. All right, here we go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and here we go. Man, this market is really crazy. It's going. I wonder if it will try to push. Up there. Or not. You know, up to the 70s. No push yet. Okay, going down. Could be sweeping liquidity on this level. Maybe even lower. All right. Nice pullback here on this push. Oh yeah, 15 minis winning a trade. Definitely. I would take that. I would take that. I'd love to take that, but yeah. Let's see what it wants. It might not be enough for NQ to go higher. How's ES doing? Yeah, almost the same. Might not be able to push it, but who knows? Don't enter with 1 minute. Enter with the micro. Less stressful. Go with the micro. I mean, if you want to. Obviously, I'm not saying to enter. I'm also trying to figure out if it wants to go for a push to the upside here. What's the low? 125 down there. Crazy, crazy market. Still have 45 seconds from the 5-minute candle to go. If it wants to get some liquidity, it has to get below 125. Okay. Let's see it. Yeah, the low is exactly 25 on the micro. On the mini, the low is also 25. No, the low is 26.25. Okay. I guess we'll see if it wants to sweep that level or not. Kind of look like a bullish flag situation. Might not be. Let's see. All right. Sideways. Just sideways. I don't trust this 5-minute candle as well. It's just a doji. I don't know if it wants to go below that level just to pick up liquidity. Anyway. Didn't go down for it. Down below the 126. Okay, now it did. Okay, so 5-minute liquidity picked up. And nothing else. Gold actually went lower, so that was good. What the? It's still bullish. Hmm. It's not doing anything. Gold went lower. I don't know. I lost traction of this movement. I thought that it wants to go down and revisit that 858.59, but it's not going. And kind of forming this bullish flag thing, which is awesome. But so far that's it. This is going down. All right, I'll be back in a moment. Okay, what's happening? Do we have a position here? Nothing. Not doing anything. Might want to reach for those equal highs at 32. Let's see. 33. And here the high is 32.25. Might want to go for it. Who knows? Yeah, let me check it, but I think it's 71%. No, 75. 75. Does it say otherwise on the stream? 71 is Apex, 75 is Bulenox. Yeah, 75. Also, on option 2 accounts too. So end of day trailing accounts also 75. All right, what's it gonna be? Yeah, only eval trades. Be careful. You're welcome. Of the cheapest 50k currently is Bulenox and Apex, but cheapest intraday trailing is with Bulenox right now. Upfront cost. Yeah. That's the cheapest right now. I'm wondering how far is this gonna go? Would it be able to break higher or not? The high of that wick is 206. Oh, Yannick, sorry to hear that, man. Well, at least it was only an eval, you know, Yannick. And Oh, Project X. Yeah, I mean, it's I never tried it, but I think I should. It's because I also want to take my laptop to trade with me sometimes, and you know, it's a web platform, easy to access, easy to control. As far as I heard, I never tried it, but everybody said to me that if I'm trading from a laptop, maybe, or not just a laptop, but from home, it's easy access. Well, it's definitely easier than Rhythmic, I think. I mean, to set it up uh, other than Rhythmic. Da, 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 da. Seems like it might want to go higher. Gonna take me higher. Yeah, I have a feeling it might want to go up to that 32. Pretty darn close. We have the new hour in less than 2 minutes. Get ready to rumble. Oh, it seems like Quantower just released an update. Well, let's download it. If you guys having Quantower, just letting you guys know that there's an update available. I'm always doing that as soon as possible to avoid any kind of platform issues. All right, let's update this. I mean, I would say that this day is more difficult than trading on an NFP day. I mean, because of these moves, which sometimes is good thing, sometimes it's not such a good thing to have these fast moves in the market, but okay. Restarting Quantower. What is this? Are we going lower again? Motivation healing. What's up? Your broker jacked up spreads. That's what they do. Yeah. Yeah. Playing with the spreads and raising margin requirements. Beanie player. What's happening? What's going on? You traded during the Asia opening. Oh, that could have been quite interesting. Looking at these moves. Yeah, I was also traded on the Sunday Open. I technically never do it. I did that for a little bit, scalped a little bit, not too much. I was actually surprised and scared. And of course, the market immediately went down to the 5% level. Yeah, absolutely insane moves. Well, now we're back to 2.5%, so we're practically within a reasonable range. Yeah. What about Bitcoin? What happened with Bitcoin? I don't care really about Bitcoin, but we went down to 74,000, and I called out that we're gonna go down to 67. Yeah, so I called out that we're gonna go below 67k. Not now, obviously, but I can see that going down there, 67. On the daily. Martin, hello. Welcome. I started earlier because I have to leave after the market open. So I'll be here at the market open and we'll see how the fireworks will go off. But I have to leave early. So it's a bit of a, well, not early stream, that's it. I'm going to fill the rest of the, yeah, I think everybody's waiting for that. Everybody wants to see the 280 and higher up to 485. That's why it's a bit of a struggle. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and push the like button. Help out the stream to let this be one of the best. Well, I still have to do a lot to be up there in the big streamer league, but hey, Help me out with a like. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, yeah. So I think it's sideways movement until the market open. Sideways movement. It seems like gold might be having a possible short opportunity here. Yeah. All right. We'll see. We'll see. And what about... Oh, that one's also going down. Okay, just a second. Gold seemed like a possible opportunity to go lower. Still have 20 minutes until market open though. Yeah, Martin. I traded today. Quick recap. Apex accounts. This one is up to a payout $1,096, but I made 136 on this one, $92 on this one, 80 on this one. This Bulenox account has nothing, only $375. On this funded account, I made 558 on this Bulenox, but also a brand new one. There's nothing here. On the DAYTRADERS account, I made 126. This is a funded account. The funded futures network evals, I'm up 2300 on this one and 2700 on this one. I think I'm not going to touch them for today. And the take profit trader evals are looking good. This one is up 565. So 2005.73 and 2003.48 also made 560. So I don't want to give these profits back. I was actually trying to do something with these Apex accounts, but still waiting. So hopefully, if all goes well, I should be having 4 more funded accounts. I'm really close to getting funded on these ones. That would be for, and no activation fee on this funded futures account because it was with the promo. So I should not have to pay for it. And the take profit trader account was also with the no activation fee. And yeah, and I restarted. I'm not connected yet to MyFundedFutures, but I restarted a eval as well. So overall good. I think I should not be too greedy on a day like this and just leave it at that. At least I put in some trades. I moved my accounts. At least the Apex ones. Yeah, Martin, I think so. I think we have a good chance to visit that 232 up there. But until then, it's just going to go sideways, narrowing down. Yeah, we'll see. I like that level down there. This is a bullish order block here. If it continues to go down, I would like to see it testing the 900. And of course, we have some levels like Sunday low, which is previous day low, and we have a daily fair value gap at 377. I don't know if we're gonna tank all the way down there, but we'll see. Let's wait for it. Beanie player, all right, see you later. Thank you so much for being here. Definitely, definitely. Get it, get it. Good luck. Good luck. Oh, man. This day, right? This day. I'm actually looking for gold to drop a little bit. So looking for the gold drop. Drop the gold. $13. Let's see it. Okay, how far is it gonna go? I'm not sure. Aussie, hello there. Good to see you, Aussie. So, as I said, I'm looking for this bullish order block on the 1 minute. Also, bullish order block on the 5 minute. Forget it. It's not really a good one. But there's one down there at 542. So if it wants to go lower, I still have my targets. To the VWAP. Yeah, I'm not using, but let me see. Where's the VWAP? The volume weighted average price indicator. Yeah, it's down there around 850s. Okay. Might try to. It might try to. Yeah, exactly. And it's quite interesting to see how it lines up with those levels that I was also looking for. So, is that random? I guess not. I mean, I do acknowledge that everybody's watching the VWAP, the VWAP. So Okay, gold retraced higher. It was going nicely down, but it retraced higher. Oh man, slow start. Slow start. I'm definitely curious about the open now. Yeah, NQ should be still dropping. I think it wants to take out that 9. What's the low there? 950. Yeah, right now. It's taking it out. And the order block on the 1 minute is down there. I'm gonna mark this up. The open of this candle is 897. Wow, I just nailed it. Open of this candle is 897.50. Okay. Quite a drop, but I think it can go. All right, 3 minutes to go. Get ready to be wrecked. Two minutes. Almost went down. 895, or at least the 900 should be tested. Anyway, here we go. Ten seconds. Everybody, get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Jesus. Okay. Everybody's getting into delay here. All right, never mind. Order block has been mitigated, and the low of that level would be around 58. I can imagine this one going down. Pulling back. Careful with the 60s. I'd like to say that we could be seeing the 57, 58 level on the downside of this order block being taken. Okay, pushing up there. Yeah, of the VWAP. The VWAP. Okay, there might be an additional drop here. Down to that, what's the level down there? I would say 57 maybe. And it did go. It did go. I told you the order block was broken, or has to be broken, and it did. That's nice to see. So now that it's been broken, we should be seeing some kind of a movement here. Okay, gold went down. The gold signal actually was good. Oops. Oh, 25% off from the Starter Plus plans from MyFundedFutures. That's a good deal. I think I'm gonna grab something. 25% off from Starter Plus. I just received the email. Are you going higher? We swept the lows here. Yeah, absolutely. Many people blown accounts, and spread also was crazy. So it's in the cards on days like this. Okay, Starter Plus accounts with MyFundedFutures are on for sale, 25%. Hey, Kirk. I'm still your dad. Oh, Alcy, I didn't see you there. Hello. I was still watching the charts. You won 90%? I'll make a few phone calls. Let's make it happen. Let's make it happen. Dropping down. Took out this low here. We're above 4% again, so be careful. Be careful. All right. Everybody, I told you guys, I told you that this is going to be a short stream. I mean, I started earlier for this purpose and this reason. So I'm streaming since 2 hours, which is not much, but I have some stuff I need to take care of and some family attendances I have to take care of. So Escape the Matrix, I'm super happy that you're here, but I'm just saying that I am leaving early because I started streaming sometime after 7 a.m. because today I am leaving early. From tomorrow, everything is back on normal schedule. My week should be perfectly fine, but today I am leaving early. So I was watching the open. Escape the Matrix, I wish you good luck and good trades. Take care and be careful. And everybody, thank you so much for watching. I might come back, but no promises for later for a short stream. But I'll be back for tomorrow, New York and London as well. Let's go. Congratulations. Let's go. So, thank you again, everybody. I wish you guys and gals a safe day. Be careful with this market. Okay, it's crazy moves. And again, if you would like to support the channel, please use my cheat code, which is TomSabo for Take Profit Trader, no activation fee. Use it with MyFundedFutures. Starter Plus accounts are down 25%, but you can use it for an additional 5% on any account. Try it out. And Apex still 75%, 1 day pass, sorry, 71. Bulenox 75, 1 day pass on both of those. Funded Futures Network. Absolutely delighted with them. Try them out. Day traders. And what do we have? We have TRADEIFY. You have to click on the link and use the actual monthly code. I don't have a custom code, but that's how you can give some credit if you would like. Thank you for the support. And I'll be back for at latest tomorrow, London. Okay. Thank you so much. God bless you all. All right. Cheers, everybody.